Hiya everyone, today is an exciting video and it is unboxing the next advent calendar. I tell you I would unbox it but just not open the doors because this is actually my advent calendar and I'm doing this really for myself so I know what I'm getting. It does kind of give you away what you are getting on the back, you just don't know what day you're going to get. I will tell you now, I'm sorry if I got a glare, this advent calendar smells... I'm just going to pull it just down just slightly, see if it stops. It does not stop. It smells absolutely amazing. It smells absolutely stunning. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get my leany thing here, show you the doors. I'm not opening the doors. I did explain that because this is my advent calendar to myself. Well, it was both for me, it's my advent calendar. But I know you probably will want to see what's in it. I will let you know some information before we start. This advent calendar is £25, but it supposedly has over £40 worth of stuff, and they're all like stuff that products that are selling next. And let's see if this advent calendar is any good. So here is the advent calendar here, and honestly they have some lovely little things in. A beautiful Christmas time, bling it on, halfway, first little luxury, glam it up. So we're just going to unbox this. So day number 1 is on this side here, and it just says first little luxury. Oh, it looks very pretty. Love Cure Royal Lip Balm. Looks very, very nice. 2 is here. Date number 2 is Next Rouge Absolute. It's a perfume. Let's have a smell. That's very, very sweet. Next are quite famous for their budget perfumes. Date number 3 is here. It's a long line one, so like maybe a makeup liner or something. Is Next Cashmere, so it's another perfume. So 2 perfumes already, that's quite good. I'm going to put this one on my hand, just give it a quick squirt. Oh, I love this. This makes me think of my nana actually, something about it. Oh, I love that, that's beautiful. That's next. Number 4 is this big one here. Dream Body Scrub. It is like a creamy body scrub, as you can see there. It's got the cream in. And it's got like little nice amount of grit to it. It's not too nasty. I think this would be very nourishing on your skin when it is winter and this dry skin is a bit harsh on you. So that was date number 4. We want date number 5. It is a long pencil one here. Number 5 is a very bright pink lip gloss. These are all from the Next range of stuff and all, just in case you were wondering. It is actually really quite a nice, it's just it's a standard lip gloss formula, but it's a nice standard lip gloss formula. It's in a very nice pink, but I think that would sheer out on you because I'm not keen on pinks, but I think that would sheer out on you. So that was day number 5. So we want day number 6. Date number 6 is this one here. I'm sorry about the glare. It even says I have been good. Let's see if I had been good by that day. So date number, the super black eyeliner from Next. Obviously everything is from Next. That is actually quite a nice eyeliner. It's not too hard, but it's not too soft either. It's just in the middle. But if you didn't like a one with a bit of sturdiness, you wouldn't like this. But I don't think that's... Date number 7 is a nice big one. It's quite exciting. Another thing, date number 7 is a Dream hand cream. This is another thing that's quite standard in advent calendars, is hand creams. And oh my god, how many hand creams do we end up with at Christmas time? It is unreal. That's one thing I will say. I'm still going through last year's hand creams. So I think I could have done without this because I know I will get loads of hand creams, but that is just me. But it's not a bad product to get. I use hand cream all the time. It's just that's it there. It's just a cream. It smells beautiful. Oh god, it smells beautiful though. I would love to know what's in that scent. It smells lovely, and it has soaked in quite nice. But it is just like a cream. It's nothing that's going to blow me away. And it is this third one along here. It is a perfume that is in Define. That's what it's called. Let's have a smell. This is very musky. It's very manly, I would say, actually. It makes me think of a man. I really quite like that, actually. Like, I'm a perfume junkie, so up to now this is winning me because I love perfume. Day number 9. Day number 9, where are you? We can't find you. And staring me right in the face, and it says Santa baby. Sorry. Another perfume. This is the Udo Nude from Next. I was thinking, have we had that one? Right. That reminds me of a designer perfume. And I can't think of put my finger on it. Do you know if Next do, like, are their perfumes kind of copies of designer ones? That reminds me of a designer one I wear. It smells really, it is right there. If you can see, a body lotion. This is, it says it's got with vitamin E. It doesn't say, oh, the Prosecco. I wonder if the hand cream was Prosecco. Bellini. This is Prosecco. What was the body scrub? God. Gin and tonic. So I think they're kind of, I think they're kind of like alcoholic ranged. Oh, that's exciting. Everything seems to be like Prosecco and stuff like that these days. Oh, right. I know one thing, my hands are going to love me after this. I actually suffer with really bad dry hands. Right. This is a body lotion. It's getting to be used as a hand lotion. I'm not keen on body lotions, and I'll tell you that now, but this isn't, it is not that bad actually. It's sunk in really well. That's why I don't like body lotions, because I feel like they go, if you know what I mean. Do you know what I mean by like that? It makes my skin like, if you know what I mean. I'm sorry if you don't. That's why I'm not keen on body lotions. That was nice. That was a nice one. That was day number 10. So we are wanting day number 11. It is a little square here. This is a Prosecco Lip Balm. The packaging is stunning. It's very faint smell, so it's, if you don't like overpowering ones, this will be really 12, and it says Halfway. It's a perfume. I wonder what this smells like then. Oh, this is very floral. Maybe a bit too floral for me actually. It's nice, but it is very floral. I don't know. I would have to wait till I've had it. I don't know if it's because I've smelled that many perfumes, but that is very floral to me. Day number 13, this is here, and it is the Luscious Lip Gloss. This is a very nice colour. It's a nudie colour. That is it there. Oh, I love this. It's just the same sort of formula. It's got a bit more colour payoff than the pink one though. I really like that. I really like that colour, like really like that. 14, right, let's see if we can find 14. Where are you? Oh, in the middle. Sparkle. These are just nice little travel sizes. I don't know what's, they're 10 mils, so they actually are a good size. That is a going out perfume, like a nighttime perfume. I will tell you that now. That is like going out on a nighttime type of perfume. It's day number 15, which is up here on the top. It's a little square one again. Bath Fizzer. Right there you have a scent. I can't, it smells like Prosecco to me actually. It's got a very strong scent actually. I can smell through the perfume, you know, like when I unboxed that other one that didn't have no scent. I can smell that straight away. I think that's what that one kind of actually smell like. That's nice. Number 16. It is another lip balm. So I think we've had 3 lip balms. Have we had 3 lip balms? Yeah, we've had 3 lip balms, but they've all been in different scents. I've just checked there. This is the Gin and Tonic Lip Balm. Was that one? Yeah, Prosecco. I'm second guessing myself now. This is the gin and tonic one. I love the packaging on them. Your lip balm, this hasn't really got much of a scent to it, but I think that's good because it's going to be right underneath your nose. Number 17 is a one right here. It's like a line one. White Amber Perfume. Oh my god, that's just brought me back to my teens. I'm gonna have to buy this perfume. It reminds me so much of, I used to wear a Gucci perfume years and years ago. I can't remember what. That has just, like, honestly, I've just sprayed that and it just brought me back to that moment. I need to buy this in a full size. I'm so glad I unboxed this because I'm actually going to put the full size of this on my Christmas list. I mean, next ones are pretty reasonable. Anyways, I hope this is like one of their proper like perfumes in their perfume line. I love it. I absolutely love it. So we're coming to the end. Day number 18 is just a little one down here. And it is next just pink. I know what this smells like. I really do. I know what this smells like. I've had this before in this size. I love this. It's very sweet, but it's nice. 19 is a big box there, and it says, "Not long now, a dream body wash." Honestly, this is the Kurt Royal scent. I think these must be drinks. I don't know. I know Prosecco and that's a drink. I don't know what Kurt Royal is. We're gonna test the smell peel if I can get it open. That's why you don't open things with your mouth. It doesn't taste nice. And I wouldn't tell you to taste it. It smells nice. It's got very good fragrance. I'm getting it on my nose and everything. Oh my god. It's actually lavering up on my hand. It's not even got water. It's really nice. Oh, you can smell. Oh god, that's really nice. I'm going to have to try that drink. I've never even heard of it. Right, that was day number 19. My hand smells absolutely amazing now. So we want day number 20. It's this end one here. It's called Gold. I wonder if it's like a copy of Millions. I think it smells like Millions actually slightly. I don't know if my mind's playing tricks on me, but that's quite nice. Not as strong. It's really nice actually. All these perfumes have been really nice. I've heard so many good things about NYX perfumes, and I've only ever tried just pink from NYX. And I'm going to end up trying more. I'm a perfume junkie, you know. So wait, that was day number 20. We went 21. Where are you? It's a big long one up here, and it says 21. Guess who? A brown eyeliner. This is good because I think brown is less harsh on your eyes. It's the same sort of formula as the last one. Not, wait, I'll show you. Not too hard. You can see I'm not pushing on hard, not too soft. It's just in between. I'm not normally keen on pencil eyeliners either, so we'll have to see what Charlton's like. But first impression, about 22 here, and this is in, I don't know what scent, but it's a nice pinky purpley colour. Oh, it smells beautiful. These have got scents to them. That's good. Nice little size. You could use both together, maybe separate if you want just a little bath. It doesn't really matter. I know the Body Shop ones are absolutely tiny, and they are really good. If you've never tried them, you just need to try them. They are tiny. They are $1.50. They do a full bath. They are really good. Right, that was day number 22. We want 23. Where are you? $23 is a little one here. I don't know if this is an actual NYX scent, but it is a Prosecco perfume. It smells nice, very sweet, very nighttime. I wouldn't wear this through the day, but I would say it's very nighttime. It's nice, very, very sweet. If you don't like sweet, you would not like it. Right, and day number 24, I think this is a 24-day calendar. And it says whoop whoop, so that is the last day. It is a really nice glittery nail polish. It looks really nice. The bottle looks nice on it. Let's open it up. It doesn't actually look like a horrible formula either, because sometimes you can get them in a horrible formula. Wait there, I'll put it on my thumb. I'll put it on my thumb to show you actually. Why not? That is it there. It is, I mean, obviously it's not dried. It looks really quite pretty. I'm going to have to do it on my other thumb in a minute. For this advent calendar, honestly, this is £25 and I absolutely love it. I'm going to tell you now, I love it. I looked up this and I knew I would like it, so I knew I was going to like it. It's very perfume heavy. If you aren't into perfumes or scents and things like that, you wouldn't like it. This is not really a makeup advent calendar. You get a couple of makeup items, which is a good little bonus. When you like me, I like a bit of everything and I am a perfume junkie. So if you like perfumes or like you want to try a new perfume and you don't want to pay for full sizes, this would be good because you're getting to try like quite a few perfumes. I'm going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 11 perfumes in this, so nearly half of the days are perfumes. So I think if you didn't like perfume, if you weren't into scents and perfumes, you wouldn't like this. But I absolutely love this, but I am a perfume junkie. So if you're like me and you like to buy perfumes and things like that, I think this advent calendar would be for you. Do I think it's worth £25? Without a doubt. I mean, I've unboxed some of these advent calendars now, like the Technic one. Didn't think it was worth it. That will be coming soon. Just the price, really. It wasn't that the stuff is horrendously bad. I just feel like I've tried why am I going on? I'm not even getting into the Technic makeup thing. I'm just saying I've tried Technic makeup and the stuff in the advent calendar is not like what you can buy. But honestly, this advent calendar is really nice and it's definitely worth the money in my opinion. And the perfumes smell nice. I hope the majority of the perfumes that you get in this are actually on their permanent line. So if you really like something, you can actually go and buy it. Do you know what I mean? I like this advent calendar. I think it had a good mix of products. Yes, majority is half perfume. So if you're not perfumes, this is not for you. I think this would be for older people, younger people like teens. I think this is a good advent calendar. It's definitely worth £25. Like I say, you've watched me unbox a few advent calendars now, 12-day ones and things like that, and I paid half price. And really, some of them you get canny products in, but you don't get like blow me away products. And some of these, like that white amber perfume, oh my god, I am buying a full size of that. I have absolutely fell in love with it. And I think advent calendars should be where you fall in love with find a product you can fall in love with. And anyways, I hope you enjoyed this advent calendar unboxing. I'm sorry that it wasn't like my normal one where I'm ramming the door was open, but this is my actual advent calendar that I got for myself this year. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!